To fix a locked Facebook profile not working, start by understanding what a locked profile is. A locked profile on Facebook is a feature that allows users to limit who can see their posts and personal information. If your locked profile is not working, it may be due to a few reasons such as incorrect settings or a glitch in the system. First, check your profile settings to ensure that the lock feature is enabled. To do this, go to your Facebook profile and click on the three dots below your profile picture. Then select Settings and Privacy. From there, click on Settings and then Account Settings. Scroll down to the Privacy section and make sure the Lock Profile option is turned on. If the lock feature is enabled and your profile is still not locked, try checking your visibility settings. Make sure that your posts and personal information are set to only be visible to friends or specific groups of people. You can do this by going to the Audience Selector tool next to each post or in your profile information. Another reason your locked profile may not be working is due to a glitch in the Facebook system. Try logging out of your account and then logging back in to see if this resolves the issue. You can also try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser to access Facebook. Additionally, ensure that your Facebook app is up to date, as outdated apps can cause issues with profile features. Go to your device's App Store, search for the Facebook app, and install any available updates. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may want to consider reaching out to Facebook support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide additional guidance on how to fix your locked profile. It is also important to note that Facebook's lock profile feature is only available in certain countries. So if you are not in one of these countries, you will not be able to use this feature. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your lock Facebook profile not working and ensure that your personal information and posts are only visible to the people you want to see them.